Thank you for the opportunity to present in front of this audience. I'm Puga Shankara with Smart Gladiator. We mobile-enable supply chain. Let me make sure we got that. Sorry about that. Okay, yes. So we mobile-enable supply chain. What that means is we have developed a next-gen data collection and collaboration system. So with that, we deploy wearables for operators, tablets for supervisors, and mobile apps for everybody else that work in a distribution center, unleashing productivity gains. I mean, my story is, I worked for Manhattan Associates, a leading supply chain software vendor based out of Atlanta here, from 1999 till 2011. So we'll walk into a distribution center, understand the business, understand the products, understand the processes, and then we'll design a end-to-end warehouse management system. Then we'll develop customizations to it, configure it, test it thoroughly, and then turn it on. So we all know the inventory count needs to be 100% accurate. I mean, it's garbage in, garbage out, right? So however sophisticated the system could be, if the inventory count is not accurate, then it's going to be a disaster. So we'll spend a couple of days counting products. So like this, I was supporting a deployment in 2001. I wanted to count, and they gave me this big, bulky device, right? And with someone else went on it, so I had to wipe it off and then started counting. It was so difficult to count. Just to enter one character, I had to press this key multiple times. Fast forward, 2010, surprised to see that the technology hasn't changed at all. Whereas on our personal life, I mean, everything has changed upside down with Apple iPhones and Android mobile devices. So that's when we started thinking, hey, there got to be a better way to do this, and we got started. And eventually, this became our project with the MBA program with Georgia Tech, and we got started from there. So I have 15 plus years of experience in this space, and Reyes brings in a similar experience working for Manhattan Associates. Gopi is a college buddy of mine that's supporting our development center in India. So we have come together to create this product. So here is a day in the life of a DC operator, distribution center operator. Now they constantly receive product, locate product, and then picking product to fulfill orders, shipping product. So while that's going on, the supervisors are monitoring these operators, making sure they're producing to their max, also making sure the work is get done, right? Orders are fulfilled, tasks are completed. So these are the devices they're using. While they're doing that, they're also capturing data and then reporting that to the WMS. That's the warehouse management system. So these are the devices they're using today. The one on the far left is the RF handheld. The problem with that is, they have to constantly keep it down and pick it back up, right? And it's a dumb terminal that can do just one thing, that's data collection. I mean, either you can scan barcodes or, you can punch the numbers using the key web. The wrist mount is supposed to free up this other hand so they don't have to constantly keep it down and pick it back up, right? But look at the keyboard, how small it is. I mean, just to enter one character, you still have to press that multiple times. And the other problem with that is the guy that's showing up for the second shift doesn't want to use it because it's full of sweat and also smells really bad from the guy that's used in the first shift, right? I mean, I wouldn't want to use a device with someone else sweat on it. So, again, that's a dumb terminal that can just do one thing, that's data collection. I mean, you can either scan barcodes or punch the numbers through the keyboard, right? Also, the supervisor is chained to the desk. Because that's the only way he can get access to the systems. I mean, it could be the WMS, or it could be the productivity data, or it could be anything else. All that data systems access is only available through the PC on the desk. So here is our product. So it's wearables for operators, tablets for supervisors, and mobile apps for everybody else. So what that does is it creates a nice network effect. So everybody is not only able to scan barcodes and collect data, but on top of it, they're also able to collaborate much more tightly, right? For example, if an operator is stuck with a problem, instead of wasting 30 minutes walking back and forth, trying to find the supervisor to get resolution for the problem, he can do a FaceTime call from wherever he is, right? And then send text messages, receive text messages, take pictures, and share information on exception scenarios, any problems with the product, any problems with the shipment that showed up, and then do video-based training, right? Also, the supervisors get tablets, so they are mobile now. They are, spending more time with their operators, employees, associates, helping them troubleshoot issues, print labels, or, answering questions, providing them productivity data and things like that. And what we are finding is our product resonates really, really well with the younger workforce. So if you keep the legacy device and if you keep our device right next to each other, the younger workforce prefers using our product to get their job done. So are we a hardware company? No, we are not. What we are doing is the only hardware that we make is the rugged holster that costs about $200. Other than that, we use everything that's already available in the market. And the secret sauce is the apps platform. That's what integrates the barcode scanner with the device and also, connects all the devices. All these are Apple devices deployed in a warehouse environment, and also connects to the WMS that enables, data collection and streaming the data to the WMS. So how do we make money? It's the initial solution sale, apps, license, devices, and accessories. Also, there is a subscription maintenance, and then there is also solution upgrade. There is, again, customization services, deployment services. The market is big. Especially people are recognizing the opportunity, to make things productive, think much more efficient by deploying mobile devices. And the wearable market is growing. Also, there is a shift happening with the younger technology-savvy workforce that's coming to the warehouse. It's moving from the handhelds to the wearables. So here are some customer testimonials. People love it. It's not only from a performance perspective, it's ease of use. All these devices are, we are using those in our personal lives. So it's not rocket science to figure it out. And the training time is significantly less. Onboard employees very fast. All those benefits are resonating with our customers. And here is so the customers that we have acquired so far, and we are talking to many more people that are interested. We are looking to raise a seed round of $500K. If you folks are interested, please talk to us. Thank you for the opportunity.